Welcome, travelers.
Come in, come in.
It's warm inside.
We have stew.
Follow the light.
Oh, look at the beauty after the rain.
The mushrooms have never looked so vibrant.
Let's go explore that direction. Indeed, but stay together, friends.
Ah, this is quite cozy, isn't it? Quite so. Looks like it's clearing up soon. I hope the fish are still biting.
Ah, another good harvest. It's nearly full. Look, more over there. Splendid. Keep the light steady, old friend.
Keep a steady pace.
Lovely day for a walk.
What's that in the water? Just the light, lad. Almost there.
Oh, look at this magnificent creature. It's so big and friendly. Wow, check out its shell. Welcome to our garden, friend.
Isn't this quite the harvest?
Indeed, Elder, thanks to the rain.
Smells wonderful.
To friendship and berries, then.
To berries.
Berries.